Look how beautiful they are. Aren't they pretty? I love it. They're so cute. The nice different shades of the browns and blacks, all with the white on the background, all combined together. That's just beautiful. This is for bird watchers. A little bit windy today, but it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Look at the deepness of the brown on the top of their heads. Right now they have control of the bird feeder. Oops, they went in the glass. Somebody else is coming. I think they had somebody just join them on the other side. Have to wait for it to turn around. Oh, there's 3 of them now. Oh, aren't they beautiful? They're just so beautiful. Let's see, 3 of them. Oh, just change position there. They're so cute. That's why we feed them. We love the beauty. Isn't it nice to be born and have such beautiful designs in your leaves and your feathers that make you so unique? I don't know if you can hear, but I can hear all the birds tweeting outside. Oh my goodness, look. Look who come to join them. Wow. A red cardinal. I think he'll be taken over. Just a swinging in the air. I think I gotta go out and wash the outside of the window. Look, they're still there eating though. I think they're gonna leave. They're being taken over. Oh, a yellow. Did you see that? Oh my God, there's gonna be a yellow one joining too. The little ones all left. Did you see that yellow one? Oh, the yellow keeps dancing around. I want to be able to see it completely. Red cardinal's still there. Oh, he left. I wonder if the yellow one will come now. Ah, he went to the other feeder. Okay, because it sits differently. I think it allows for their feet a little bit more. Alright, well I hope you've enjoyed seeing that. That was beautiful. Bye-bye now.